Hello everyone! It's a 3-marker challenge on 3 different surfaces with Artistro, Sister versus Brother edition. And let's go! First, let's roll our coloring pages to disguise what's on it. The kids can't know when they're choosing. This is so exciting! Let's see what we have here. It's Sonic! How awesome!
Yay!
Now it's Brother's turn, and no hesitation this time. A Minion! How adorable! It's time to pick the paint pens blindfolded. Not a bad pick for a Minion! At least we have a gold color to substitute yellow. Tough decision for Masha. Ready for the battle! Masha starts with a pink one. Apparently it's her favorite color. Wow! Nice choice, Vova! Love the color. Meanwhile, Masha is trying hard to speed up her drawing process. That is so unfair! Don't bother your brother, Masha. Focus on your drawing. So the main colors are picked close to the original characters. Good job, guys! Someone has changed their canvas, huh? Keep drawing, Masha! Too late! Vova has already finished drawing. And look at that! Amazing job! How do you like it? That was a tough challenge, but the kids did a great job. Cheer them on in the comments. Vova finished first, so he deserves a victory. Let's see how the 3-marker challenge works for mug designs. The kids again picked 3 markers to paint on a mug. Masha goes for hearts and birds. Vova creates a sea scene according to his marker's pick. Nice! Masha finishes her adorable design with some earthworms. Precious! So what do you think? We think that Masha's design is more detailed, so we give this victory to Masha this time. Prepare for 3-marker rock painting challenge. The aim is to paint the rock with 3 markers picked blindfolded. Wonder what that could be? Vova decided to pick a more difficult object to draw. How awesome is this owl? These are so cute. Both of them did a great job, and it's definitely a draw. Let us know in the comments which artwork you liked the best, and we will see you next week on our Artistro channel.